Hey guys, welcome back to our channel and welcome to the second episode for tonight. And if you have not watched our first video, I recorded one. I'll put a description. I'll put the link on the description below. And I also had I tried to explain in Tagalog our insights, and I hope I was able to give good insights in that video. Please feel free to share your thoughts. Hit the like if you like it. Um, yeah, whatever comment you drop, I appreciate it. Okay, so in this second part of our video, I am going to cover the most trending stocks that we had in the Philippine market today. Okay, so let me just go ahead and check out our market summary. How did it go? I was not able to look at this in the first video, but I bet a lot of people or a lot of stocks see almost 50-50, but I've noticed that a lot of decliners from the major companies for today, and the index also went red, right? A lot of foreign buying still. Okay, so I have a few more that I'd like to discuss today. So let me go ahead and set up our tools. See that? Almost all. So these stocks have been here on my watch list for quite some time. I haven't really had the chance to make some edits. Some of those are not in my portfolio. I just didn't have the time. Anyway, as you can see here, the market dropped, and I think I will not be surprised because we've been rallying for several weeks. In fact, from the start of August, and it's already the 19th, and we've been rallying. August, or the ghost month, half of the month we've been bullish, but I think it's just sentiment of the market because they've been profitable. That's why they're taking profit. But let's go ahead and dive into some popular stocks or trending stocks today, because they could be some big influencers, or it could be because there are so many, um, because of the promising chart. We don't know. That's why people are engaging in this stock. Let's see. Okay. So CHP, as we all know, has been on a very steep decline since, I don't know, when was this? A long time ago. It has been on a decline since it went on IPO, if I'm not mistaken. See that? 2016 went on a steep decline the entire time, and looks like it has already reached its bottom, and we are now recovering. So this is a weekly chart, and if you are to go to the daily chart, this has already rallied so much. But if you are looking at it as a long-term investor, I'm not saying you should enter, but because you also have to check the financial situation of the company, right? But the chart itself looks like has hit the bottom, and it's now just recovering. So 1.23 for me is the new support, and we still have that volume over here. So I just feel like if people will take profit, it'll just touch the 1.23 level, and then the next course of action is it will continue to move higher. So we don't really know if tomorrow could be that chance we're looking for, or otherwise it could just push the price even higher. So your call. You have to be very vigilant if you want to engage in this stock. because movements here will be very, very fast. 2000 trades just for today. So there could be more rally to the upside tomorrow. We just do not know if they will be taking profit within the day. And for me, if you want to catch it around 1.23, that would be a much better position. At least you could get haggle at a lower price. AXLM is also trending today. Yeah, no wonder. See that? This used to be a support, and then there was a sudden bounce or push in the price with volume over here. So that's, I think, really good. Where is my chart? AXLM. See that? So there could be some more push to the upside. It's actually starting to trigger the upper Bollinger Band over here. So, and then we're still at the very cheap level. So I think I just feel like if there will be a dip, it will just touch the 2.34 and then it will continue to rally higher. AXLM, and next is pizza. Pizza also starting to trigger our MA20 line, but there's a gap from yesterday. So I said yesterday, I know I reviewed this yesterday. I said, wow, this is a bounce. True enough, it continued to rally, and that's a good 4.55%. So if you manage to enter right over here, that's already, I don't know, around 10%. If you entered at that level, 989%. Okay? So could it push the price higher? Big possibility, as you can see. And pizza, of course, it's already GCQ. Restaurants are open, so maybe that could also be the reason why people are more positive that this stock will continue to go higher. Just be extra careful. We don't know when this stock is going to fill this gap. Could be tomorrow, a long wick, and then it will continue to push the price higher. In the meantime, because we're a little conservative, I'm plotting our support at that area, 5.49. This used to be our support over here, which became a resistance here, and then all of a sudden it broke out of that. So good. We might see some more push there. Just watch out for any good opportunity to enter at a much lower price, but overall, I have a positive sentiment here. The next one is Mart. As for Mart, also reaching a resistance here, short-term resistance, guys. So we might see some more profit taking, but very near. Our support is just very near. Okay, it could just move within that level and continue its upside or movement going up. Okay, so that's the nearest support I see, 2.86. I feel that tomorrow there's a chance that it will touch that, and the next course of action is going to go up. Okay, there's still foreign buying. Next one is Tech. Tech also dipped today. Let us see if it will just stabilize in this level, create a support. You know, your Bollinger Band is starting to become more and more constricted. 5.64 is the support that I'm looking at, which is very, very near. So I'm thinking this is in fact still at the support level. And once we move to the 50 and then the chart also looks good, that's when we are more positive that it will continue to push higher. Overall, this is a good opportunity because we're very near the bottom. Okay, I think I just feel like within the could be this week or next week we will see some bullish signs here if there's no negative news about this company. But just looking at the technicals alone, we're just waiting for that big move because normally from a constricted band, as you can see here, from a constricted band it pushes the price higher. So that's something that we want to also check. This has a big potential as well. Look at that, it has dropped so much, and then we're starting to recover. The next one is DMC. Oh well, DMC also starting to show some recovery, as you can see, so that's a good one. From a constricted band, also starting to open up. So I think it will. There's a possibility that it will push the price higher. Hopefully, our property sector will show some signs of recovery soon, especially now that we have GCQ. Hopefully, they recover, right? There, but we're very near a support right now. 3.80 is the one I'm looking at. For as long as we don't break the MA20 line, it's just going to move either sideways or just continue its bounce. But I'm really positive with the fact that we are now outside of the Bollinger Band, and they're triggering the upper band, so that's good. Some bullish signs there. NIKL. NIKL also took profit, and there's a gap. So I just feel like that is going to be filled. It could be tomorrow or in the coming days. So the sentiment for now is for this stock to revisit 2.85. So just hang in there and try to see if you will have a good possible entry anywhere near that level. APX. APX also managed to see it really filled that. So it filled that, and then right away you had a profit taking. So it filled that, but now we're going to we see red. So next possible stop could be around 1.56, but for me this is already a bit high from where it started its climb. So let's see, but for now I'm just plotting that level because that's the nearest support, and we just really don't have any idea as of yet if it will bounce there or it will continue to drop, because this has already moved so high in the span of how many months, from March to August, and then yeah, there you have it. So just be extra careful. People are starting to show profit taking moves. There you have it. Okay, so I hope I was able to somehow add some more value or insights around these stocks, and I hope I will be able to help you guys, somehow manage your trades tomorrow and in the days to come. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like if you like the video, and also the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.